My name is Joan Sandever. I'm going to be 82 in October, and my wish is to go up in a helicopter for the first time in my life and to have a wonderful time and enjoy all the scenery from here to there and back.
Where's there?
To Liscomb and back. Liscomb is where I was born. I was brought up on a small farm. We used to watch them going overhead when I was little. They always mesmerized me if I could just see everywhere, and especially where I was born. I don't think there's too many spots that I didn't see from the ground. So now I'd like to see the whole thing. Did a lot in my life. I did a lot. My children, they are all special to me. I have 3 boys and a girl. Each one of them have their own personality. Each one of them are unique in their own way. I'm finally going to be able to do something that I wanted to do for many years. I honestly don't think I have too many more years here, and I really want to be doing something that I'm going to get pleasure from. And for me to do something like this, I think it's going to be wonderful, and I can't wait.
I'm Joan's son, John, and I nominated my mother because she talked about going on a helicopter many times, and to me my mom means everything. She's taking care of the 4 of us. Our father didn't. It was very difficult for her, and she went through all that, and if there's something I can do for her, she deserves it. For her, it'll be a dream come true.
Something I don't think I'll ever see again, or do, for that matter. And it was wonderful to have the boys with me. Like, I wish they could have all been there, but maybe they'll have a turn someday.